it's Lindsay with Unique Home Solutions. The unique triple tin window is made with a dual chamber lock system. This lock system is designed to add more security to the window and to provide a better seal, which makes the window even more energy efficient. If the lock ever needs repair or replacement, it is a very easy fix, and Ron Phillips is here to show you exactly how to do that.
The first thing is you raise your window up just a little bit and tilt the window towards you so you can see what's going on with the lock. Turn your tilt on it to where you can unlock it. Then screw your locks. When you get your lock completely off, you grab a new lock and put on it. These are the keepers. The keepers can be replaced by 2 screws at the back of the thing. Just back them out, set it out, and it shows you how it has to be set. Same way with the lock. The lock always points to the other sash. Screw the screws down snug. Don't over tighten them because you'll strip them out, but just screw them down snug. Then they're ready. All you do is just move the window, slide her down, and lock them up.